The Trux auxiliary glow strip LEDs can complement any truck body molding, illuminate the ground, or add color to interior storage bays. They're available in 3 lengths, 12, 24, and 48 inches. All of these lengths can be connected together to achieve any desired length. Choose from 6 solid colors: white, amber, blue, green, purple, or red. You can also choose from a variety of color combinations: amber blue, amber red, amber white, amber green, amber purple, amber pink, red blue, red green, red white, red purple, or red pink. There are 2 different LED strip styles to pick from as well: center glow strip or side glow strip. They're easily installed by attaching each strip to a clean surface using the affixed 3M double-sided tape. All are weatherproof thanks to the PVC casing and polycarbonate lens. But if installed in an exterior location constantly exposed to the elements, add the included plastic clips for improved contact. These powerful 12-volt strips feature LED diodes, making them brighter than traditional incandescent lights. They offer a 30,000-hour lifetime rating and come with a 3-year warranty. Create that custom look and grab everyone's attention with colorful accent lighting from Trux Accessories. Shop work and truck lighting on zips.com.